Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to charge your DualSense controller using a PC in 2026. So if your controller is not charging properly from your computer, this guide will help you fix it. So first of all, you need to understand that not all the cables support charging properly. Some are low quality or charge only. So you need to first of all use a good quality USB C cable. Then you need to connect the controller directly to your PC. Avoid damage or loose cable and check if the controller shows the orange pulsing light. Now some PC USB ports provide the low power, especially front ports or the older systems. So you need to plug the controller into the rear USB port. Avoid USB hubs or splitters. Try different USB ports to compare and keep the PC powered on while charging. Now if your PC in the sleep mode, it may stop supplying the power to the USB port. So you need to first of all click on this search icon here on your PC. Now you need to look for the option of control panel. In the control panel, you just have to look for the power options. Then when you open the change advanced power settings, find USB settings and then look for USB selected suspend. So you need to basically disable this option and save it. You will need to confirm whether it's actually charging or not. For that, you need to look at the light bar. Pulsing orange is equal to charging. No light, it simply means that no charging properly. So let it charge for at least 1 to 2 hours to see if it is fully charging. So that's how you can charge your DualSense controller on your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.